Hi, it's Andrew Kerry-Bedell from ITiC in Conservation. I'm here to talk today about augmented reality. Mobile augmented reality is a new medium through which mobile users, using smartphones for example such as this one, can interact with augmented reality or AR content. The mobile AR world consists largely of two different types of experiences, what's called geolocation and vision-based augmented reality. Geolocation-based AR uses GPS, compass and other sensors in the user's mobile phone to provide a heads-up display of various geolocated points of interest for visitors. Vision-based AR, which to be honest is probably the more popular at the moment, uses many of these same sensors but uses mainly the camera to virtually display digital content in context with real-world objects such as visual features, buildings, objects, or it could be magazines, posters or packaging. And the idea is by tracking the visual features of these objects. So, what exactly is augmented reality? Well, augmented reality uses a various range of different apps. In this case I'm going to look at the Layar app, but there are lots of others as well, Wikitude for example. And augmented reality is designed to add a virtual overlay to real objects such as posters, maps, magazines, buildings and even scenery, with the AR images triggered based on mobile camera images or GPS. So you'll see there that Layar's actually opened up the application. It says in the middle there, it says tap to view. Now I'm going to assume that this picture here in the background was actually a view, but if I actually go close up to this picture here, so I imagine I'm actually looking at it through a camera, and I do tap to view, you can see Layar is now searching for content based on this picture. And what happens is it's actually overlaid that content with several things. So if I bring the camera in closer, you can see for example there that it's overlaid on top of that picture. We've actually got, in this case, a video which I can click. It's got information about ITiC, which is our company here. It's got a phone number, it's got an email. Each one of those is actually an icon. If you click those, they will actually operate. And also it's got about QR codes and advantages, and that goes to an individual web page. So basically this is an overlay over the top of this picture. If I show you another example, in this case the South Downs Way. So this is actually the South Downs Way map. So again, if I just go back on Layar, and I'll do tap to view. So click on tap to view there. And it's now looking at what is effectively just a map, which could be on an interpretation board or it could be on a poster. And it's now looking for objects to overlay over this. And you'll notice that what it's found, it's actually found 4 individual layers. And despite the fact, if I move the phone away, you'll see it's just an ordinary map. In fact, it has got some individual QR points on there. When I actually overlay the phone on top of it and point that back here, you can see it actually overlays the individual map points. And it also has on top of there, it has information about the South Downs as well. So I could actually click to order the trail guide. Or I can click on any one of these here as actually an individual point that I can click on. So for example, I'll just click on this one here, which is that one, click on that, and it will go straight to the web page. In this case, this is Butser Hill in Hampshire, and it gives information about Butser Hill. So really useful way of actually overlaying over map information, visual information, or even a real-time view or a geolocation on a hill. If you'd like to see more information, just go to ITicinconservation.co.uk. Thank you.